Hey, hey you, remember, do something you enjoy today. Do it. Alright, so today I'm going to make some green soup. For this recipe you need half a courgette, 2 small onions, 2 toes of garlic, some mint. I'm using dried mint, but you can use fresh as well, of course. Spinach, and about 1 liter or 3.5 to 4 cups of vegetable bouillon. First, cut your courgette and onions in small pieces. Fun fact, courgette, also known as zucchini, can become toxic if it is grown in stressed conditions. Vegetable orchestras, such as the London Vegetable Orchestra, use zucchini trumpets, butternut squash trombones, pumpkin drums and aubergine castanets. Other vegetables played include carrots, bell peppers, potatoes and parsnips. Bake your courgette and onion on medium heat in a pan. And add the 2 toes of garlic as well. You can either cut the garlic in pieces or, like me, squeeze it with a whatever this is. When your courgette and onions are nicely baked, transfer everything into a bigger pan. Then add some spinach. Your mint, and finally your vegetable bouillon. Fun fact, due to their tendency to spread unchecked, some species of mint are considered invasive. Put your pan back on the furnace and cook for another 5 minutes. After boiling your soup some more, it is time for the final step, and that is to make everything small with a hand mixer. And there you go, green soup. It is very green. Probably healthy. It tastes like vegetables and garlic. Not bad. Not bad. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you enjoy my content.